Welcome folks, get ready to have your mind blown as I reveal that I can make a mind-boggling $30,000 every month just by wiggling my fingers on this magical keyboard. Oh, and guess what? I whipped up a whopping 300 YouTube shorts in a mere blink of an eye. And get this, it didn't cost me a single penny. In this video, I'll spill the jelly beans on how you can harness the power of Chat GPT and Canva to achieve the same wizardry. Before you know it, you'll be on your way to creating your own mysterious YouTube channel and swimming in an ocean of cash. Now let's get down to business with today's agenda. Brace yourselves because we're about to teach Chat GPT the art of crafting irresistible love quotes. We want viewers to be left craving more, like a squirrel eyeing a nut buffet. To showcase this, I'll provide Chat GPT with a couple of examples. For instance, if you love someone, set them free. Or maybe just give them a really long leash. See, it's all about perspective and a touch of humor. Of course, for the sake of this video, we'll omit the second part and keep things PG. To put Chat GPT to the ultimate test, I'll ask for an example. Hold on to your hearts, folks, because it seems like Chat GPT has mastered the art of love quotes with a side of charm. Let's dive into the world of love, heartbreak, and friendship with these quotes. But we can't forget our target audience, so I'll ask ChatGPT to provide an example based on these specific criteria. Oh, and remember, if ChatGPT comes with something you like, give it a virtual pat on the back and encourage more brilliance. Let's keep those creative gears spinning. The videos I have in mind will be structured in 3 parts, a theme, like girl or boy facts, the first part of the quote, and the grand finale, the second part. So I want ChatGPT to generate quotes in a similar format, complete with a theme, first part and second part. And here's a little organizational tip. Let's categorize them in an Excel-like format. Trust me, this step will save our sanity later on. Buckle up, folks, because we're about to create a quote-making machine. ChatGPT surprises us, but no worries, I'll remind it to stick to girl facts, boy facts, and friend facts. Thank you, ChatGPT, for being a trooper. Let's add heartbreak quotes because they resonate with people. It's easier to relate to lost love than a perfect relationship when you've been single for so long. Now let's ask ChatGPT for 100 unique quotes. Oops, generating 100 quotes is tough. We agreed on 30 quotes at a time to avoid overwhelming ChatGPT. It may take longer to reach 300, but let's enjoy the journey without rushing into a malevolent superintelligence. Let's embark on this adventure together. Ask for 30 quotes, then repeat until we reach a desired number. We're in for the long haul, but remember, slow and steady wins the race. Now let's get down to business and put those 300 plus unique quotes into action by creating some fabulous YouTube shorts using Canva. First things first, head over to canva.com and find the mobile video option on the left-hand side. This will lead you to the design section where you'll discover a plethora of eye-catching templates to choose from. Feel free to explore and find templates that match your project's vibe. In my case, I'm on a mission to find templates reminiscent of those envy-inducing Instagram quotes my ex used to post. As you can see, there is a myriad of options available, but I've already stumbled upon one that has caught my attention. So let's head back to the recently used section. Our goal here is to replicate the captivating style of these mesmerizing YouTube shorts we've watched earlier. To achieve this, I'll position the theme text, like girl facts, boy facts, or friend facts, at the top of the screen. The quote itself will take center stage in the middle, and at the bottom, I'll proudly display the YouTube channel where these shorts will be posted. However, I need to make the theme text slightly larger. Oh no, it's no longer perfectly centered. But fret not, I'll swiftly fix that hiccup. Here's a pro tip. Head to the top toolbar, click on position, and select center. Voila! Perfection restored. Now let's enhance the visibility of the quote by adding a background. In the effects section, you can choose from various colors, but black should work well. Also, let's increase the size of the quote to make it more prominent. Remember, quotes always comes in pairs, just like my ex's ever-changing personality. I'll copy and paste the existing text block to create the second part of the quote below. Perfect! Now let's bring some laughter and inspiration to these YouTube shorts. Now, this particular template has absolutely no pizzazz, but for the kind of videos I want to create, I prefer a more straightforward approach. So let's ditch those flashy animations from all the text blocks. The videos I'm aiming for have a simple structure. The first 9 seconds display the first part of the quote, followed by a 1-second pause. Then the second part is revealed, lasting approximately 1.5 seconds. You see, 1.5 seconds is enough for viewers to read the text without getting bored, but short enough to keep them hooked. And more views mean better watch time, which translates to YouTube promoting your video to a wider audience. Now here's a nifty trick. Right-click on the first part of the quote and select Show Timing. This feature allows you to control how long and where the text appears in the video. We want the first half of the quote to last 9 seconds, followed by a 1-second pause. Then at the 10-second mark, we'll unveil the second part of the quote. The second half should only take 1.5 seconds. Lastly, let's adjust the end of the video to match the end of the second part of the quote. And there you have it. Now let's center the second part of the quote on the screen, and voila, our video template is ready. But here comes the real magic, folks, and I'm not talking about rabbits popping out of hats. We're going to insert the database of quotes into Canva, enabling us to create hundreds of unique videos with just a few clicks. Here's how. Head to the Apps section in the left menu and search for Bulk Create. Select Enter Data manually and clear the existing data. Now copy your Excel list of quotes. I'll start with 30 quotes for now, and you'll soon see why. Once pasted, you'll witness the quotes filling up the interface. Click on Done to proceed. Next, we need to link up the different chunks of text with the corresponding parts of the video. Right-click on the text within the video and select Connect Data. Now, pick up the appropriate data piece you want to display. In our case, we want the theme text to kick things off, so we select Theme. To showcase the first part of the quote, we drag down the second part and choose First Part. For the second part of the quote, we select Second Part. Once all the data pieces are linked, place the second part back in the center of the video, and we're good to go. You'll notice that all the data pieces now have a purple check mark, signifying they are properly connected. Now, ladies and gents, it's time for the grand finale. Click on Continue and then generate 30 pages. And just like that, we have 30 YouTube Shorts, each sporting a unique quote. However, there's a tiny catch. All the videos have the same background. If you fancy a change, you can manually swap the background by heading to the Elements section on the left menu. There, you can search for different videos and select the one that catches your eye. Click on the three dots at the top of the video and choose Replace Background. But let's face it, I don't want to do this 300 times, and I don't need each video to have a different backdrop. Allow me to share a smarter approach. Let's go back to the previous page and start fresh from step 1 for bulk creation. Once again, select Enter Data manually and clear the table. Now, grab the names of the rows from your Excel sheet and paste them into Canva. Next, go back to your Excel sheet and copy the next 30 quotes. Paste them into Canva and hit Done. Voila! All the data pieces now boast a purple checkmark. Click on Continue, but hold your horses. Before you hit that Generate button, let's jazz up the background. Return to the Elements section, find a video that tickles your fancy, and click on the three dots. This time, choose Replace Background. Just keep in mind that the new video will have the same duration as the one you selected as the background, so brace yourself for a longer ride if you opt for a lengthier video. Alright, once you're satisfied with your snazzy new background, let's head back to the previous page. Click on Continue and then hit Generate 30 pages. And ta-da! You now have another set of 30 videos with unique quotes and a fresh background. Repeat this process until you've assembled the desired number of videos. Now that you've got your arsenal of YouTube Shorts, it's time to upload them to your channel. I suggest scheduling the videos for release instead of unleashing them all at once. This way, you'll maintain a steady stream of content and boost the chances of YouTube's algorithm promoting your videos. And hey, don't forget to engage with your viewers in the comment section, even if they're questioning why your quotes have a touch of wicked humor. Boom, that's it for today's video, folks. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed making it. If you want to stay on top of the latest and greatest in the world of technology, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. We drop 3 to 5 videos every week, so you'll always have fresh content to feed your tech addiction. And don't forget to leave us a comment with your thoughts and questions. We love hearing from you, and we're always eager to help out. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the flip side with more exciting tech content. Peace out.